Want to know how to check your controller settings or your controller key bindings in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, make sure you are under this menu screen. And now once you're under this menu screen, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon right here. This is your settings. Second, this is select. Now once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing various options, and by default you should be on the video on top right here. So here you should be seeing this controller icon. This is your controller settings. So you can just simply select it. You can see all of your controller settings that you can see. So these are all your key bindings. So you can see as well. So if you have your controller by default, your key bindings should come with a controller as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can also select these for your controller key bindings. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. This is how you easily see your controller bindings and controls in Paladins. See you in the next one.